Well, I guess this further explains why I've sort of been slacking in the YouTube videos. As you can see, I got a little puppy. Oh, her name is Bexley. She likes my socks. That's why I'm gonna stand up here for a moment, but she is a French bulldog. Hey, no, Bexley. Her name is Bexley. Bexley. Hi, Bexley. No, don't pee there. Don't pee there. Basically, yeah, here, I'll talk more about it. So, I got that dog, plus the school starting. That's just why I haven't been making videos recently. So I got her, like, last week. And she is a Merrill Frenchie. It's a polka dotted one. And so we're dog breeding and stuff. We're gonna do that and sell them because they go for a lot of money. But yeah, she is just a cute little thing. Most adorable little thing. So basically, I don't know what else I'll really do right now. Like, oh my gosh. Hold on a second. Basically, except for that, I also have these trains back here that I don't think I've ever shown. Basically, just some trains I got a while ago. Not really much to them, they're pretty basic. I might as well show that. Lego trains on. Goodness. Watch out on their guns. Boston. Boston. Not quite sure where Bane is. I think he went outside. He's a German Shepherd. But yeah, so I promise I'll make some videos soon. But doing with a dog and stuff isn't all that easy. I'll just say that. It isn't all that easy. And plus I have this homework and new school, all that. It's just pretty difficult going into 6th grade. But on the other hand, I also just sort of been doing not much. Yeah. So, face reveal, 3, 2, 1, go. Now, that was a horrible face reveal, but that will reveal for now. Not planning to do one of those ever again for a while. Ever again for a while. Yeah. And no, I don't live in Oregon. I live in California. This is just an Oregon sign. Have propped up against only like the best movies ever, but and some video games. Tell me down in the comment section what game I should play next on the PS3. But yeah. Anyway, that'll be about it. Just wanted to just tell you how it's all going and what you should expect. So I'm going to a concert and then I'm going to a concert in October and then a train show. So that should give you a good idea of exactly what is happening. So in October I have a concert for Leonard Skinner, and then because it got rescheduled from August. And then in early January, like the 4th or 5th, I'm going to a train show with 300 plus vendors. So that should be nice and stuff. So I should get some trains for that. And that'll probably be a big haul video. Also, tell me if you want me to finish my garage sale lot video or haul. Anyway, bye.